Hey, Duncan. What is it, Sparks? I'm gonna challenge you to the race, okay? Okay, whenever you lose, you're gonna end your career. Deal. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna win anyway. I'm gonna beat you. 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 Well, guys, we should stay out of this one. Okay, okay. We don't want to get hurt someone. Okay, I don't want to get hurt someone. How does he know you get Sparks? Well, you get win anytime. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Well, I'm gonna stay up here.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
Hello, this is Racing Sports Network here. We're live in Florida 500 Speedway Mega Garage here. Today, we're even gonna win. It's Duncan and Sparks.
Ah!
Ah! I'm a 7. Yes, now I'm super. Ow. Last lap. You're gonna lose. No, you're gonna lose. No, you're gonna lose. No, you're gonna lose. You're gonna lose. The mission is on. Hup. Ah. Hup. Whoa, hey, get off me. Well, it's time for another final lap to go. Somebody's getting fans.
Sure!
What the heck? What just happened? Whoa, phew, I'm landing. Did you see that? Bobby Swift just won. Yep, I win. Hey, we're gonna keep on teamwork, isn't it? Deal? Deal. Good deal. We need to be friends? Yeah. Let's go. No, hold on a second. What is it? We're gonna keep on racing together, okay? Okay. Thank you. So, how'd you figure that, Bobby Swift? Well, I gave freight car, another freight car, and a trophy. So, just for you. Oh.
Okay, yes, we won. We will do that.